Hey guys, today we'll be doing the setup for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. We have already done an unboxing video. If you haven't watched it, do watch it. We'll do for both Android and iOS today. So let's begin for Android. So for Android, I'll be using OnePlus 8T phone, what I already have. So head towards the Play Store and download the application that we want for this, that is Zep. So when you click on install, it will just download and go ahead for installing the application on your phone. So now you can see that Zep is installed in my phone. So we'll go ahead for setting of that our watch. So open it. If you have not created an account, go ahead for creating an account. You see an option down. I do have an account, so I will go ahead for logging in to the account. So once you log into the account, it will ask you if you want to save the password or not, and then it will ask you for device location. You have to so it asks for DND permission if you want to activate and all. You can just go into the settings, and if you want, you can allow those settings. So click on the plus option what you see in the left side, and then click on the option watch, and then you have to watch with QR code. When you switch on your watch, you will be having this QR code, and then you have to scan this QR code like this, and once you scan it, it will start pairing. So if it by chance doesn't do with QR code, then it will ask you an option try again. When you click on try again, it will start pairing, and you have your watch nearby. So when you have it, it will confirm the pairing on your watch, and once it is confirmed, you have to click on accept pairing request on your watch as well. So you can click on the tick option that you see. Once you click there, then you will be it will take some time to do a pairing on your watch, and once that is successful, you will get a successful message as well. So you see that it's paired successfully. Now go ahead for activating it. When you activate, it will give you binding option. That means you have the watch is binded. Everything is set for activating it. You can just click on OK, and that will activate your watch. That will connect your watch to your smartphone Android device. So it will take some time, and then it will be syncing the data that you have already. Once everything is completed, you will have this activated successfully, and your watch is all set too. So by chance, if you have been doing a resetting, means you have already the application and you are doing a reset for in a different Android phone, then this restoring option will come, which will restore all your data. Since I already had paired, and for making this video I unpaired and I tried it again, factory settings, whatever I had on my watch as well. So this is all set. You can change your screens from here as well in the application, and this is all set. Now we'll go for setting off on iOS device. Here I will be using my iPhone 7 for connecting. So we will go to the App Store and then click on the same application that we have installed for Android as well, that is Zep, and go ahead for installing it in our phone. So once you hit it, now we're on the App Store page. I'm downloading it, and once it is downloaded, I will just open the application. So you have to keep in mind that you can use the same credentials that you have for Android and iOS both, and if you have two phones, Android and iOS, you can use the same app credentials, and just swipe once, that is once you have connected successfully. So I am using the same credential to log into the Zep application, and initially it will ask me for permissions like notifications and Bluetooth, because it will be using that Bluetooth option to connect to the watch as well. So that's the initial notifications that I will be getting. I'll use my app credentials to log in, the same app credentials that I used for Android as well. So once I log in to the application, I'll get a screen like this, similar to Android, and it will ask me certain permissions as well. I need to give the permissions like Bluetooth permissions if you want to save the password and all, and we have to switch on the Bluetooth once you switch on the application as well. Additionally, you need to give Apple Health permissions as well, and for the watch to detect. You need to see in your watch that QR code is generated first time when you are pairing it. Again, you need to click on the plus option that you see in the screen, and then head towards watch, and then you have to select an option like allow, and then scan that QR code with the first option that you have. Similarly, that you see in the screen, right? You need to scan it. Once it is scanned, it will start searching for it. By chance, if it doesn't use that QR code, then you have to keep your watch nearby. It will start pairing using the Bluetooth device as well. Now it will ask you for accepting the pair in your watch as well. Once the request is sent from your phone, you need to accept once, and once that is accepted, your pairing will be successfully completed and the device will be activated. Now you need to click on the activate below to activate the device. That means that device will get synced with your phone. So all data, whatever would be there that you want, like Apple Health, everything will be synced for Apple phone on your watch. So there will be a sync made between your Apple Watch and Apple phone, and during that time you can see that in your phone it will be showing binding. Now you have seen that it's activated successfully. Now we'll go ahead. It tries to recover the watch settings, because as I had already told, I have used for Android, and whatever restores data I had already, that would be pushed to my watch and from my phone to my watch, and the sync will be made between both phone and watch. Now you can see that it's all set. Now we'll go ahead for extra tip that you will be using if you have both. If you are setting it for the first time in both Android and iOS and you have two phones, you need to reset your watch. So, and also if sometimes you get a new phone as well, so for resetting you can go to the settings of the app, and in settings you will find this system, and in system you will find this option called factory reset. So when you do a factory reset and click on the OK button, you will hear two vibrations on your watch. That means the watch is entirely resetted, and you will get a new QR code to get it scanned and use it in the new phone. That's all guys. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and like the video if you want it for more tech updates.